string beans or long beans, green bean truck right there, you guys. Ooh. Welcome to Guimaras Island. What's up? Right here, we're going to cook charcoal for our workers. You know, you can use chocolate as chalk.
Never chalk.
No!
I use charcoal for chalk and I don't have any more chalk.
Ay, see?
I think they're born from that. Those flags.
Now, where is the lid of the casserole? Right here. Just picture it. This is not cucumber.
I didn't say it was.
I thought you said cucumber.
I said chicken. Can I eat one of them raw?
Why you got that this from?
You can't play video games. I am. What can I play?
Go put sticks. You can put sticks at the bottom, actually.
I watch that.
And guys, we are filling our buckets right here. Chicken with water. Ayan na. From there. Mga buwan. So, binigyan lang sa atin man. Malungka. Put the lid. So young looking.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
It was nice meeting you, and take care, Lola.
And guys, munggo with, ayun ba yun? Pinakas, kalabasa, Ang palaya. Why ang palaya? Malunggay kag lupo. Ay, naku. Lupo at malunggay. Saan pa kayo? Kain na. You guys think you're going? They go out that way. They go out that way.
They are pouring na.
Mga kwanto sa Guimaras, oh.
Sino makita ni Tordel?
Hindi mo siyang labahan eh. Ipos mo sa Facebook, kita eh.
Ah.
Galing nga si United States ba? Yung siri ka ako sa kanan ng motor mo.
Ah.
Kaya na pututan na dito sa balay. Ang gado na ka motor na yung nablok mo.
Si Wai pa nakutkutan, no? Ano isa? Yeah, may tubig.
Nandiri na may tubig para hindi ko ma...
Thank you. So, first day 4. Ang isa kaharigi tapos dun. Ay, hindi. They have to mix water, you said. So, ay! No! Umpisa na makamot tugsok. Ano na tawag? Ay, kanugod sa kawayan din na.
Taste it. They drink it too. Here, drink. Yeah, you guys hold this. Taste it. Siling fish ka ko, no? Wala gating fish.
Go to fish and shrimp area. And they just came in, that's why there's a lot of people. I think they've been there for a while. How did they get in there? Honey, don't kill it. Let's put it
There he is on the floor.
by the window.
Grab him.
Where?
I saw it.
Ah.